Oh, it's coming in the next 10 minutes. In the highway. Watch out, bro. Well, hopefully it won't hit here. I'm not in the mood to get hit by a tornado. That would be bad. Very bad. A tree could fall right onto me. Ugh. 8:47. Kind of wimpy right now. Not much rain going on. 8:48. Well, the front goes way south too. Actually, way south in terms of going state by state. I don't know. Right now, a little wimpy. Now, is this the calm before the storm? Well, 8:52. Not much rain. Wind's picking up a little bit. Whoa, all right, we got a little wind coming here. I'm not sure if oh my God. Yes, and I have to say to my orthopedic doctors and all my doctors, I think you want me to be sick and pain and depressed. And, oh man, you don't want to give me anything good, and not even good, just something that would just like, So, watching the wind beneath the tornado's wings. How do we get the guy's voice? Come on. Hear the silence. Oh no, this here time. Attention, everybody. Attention. Oh, that's not that bad though. Go to your safe spot. Go to your safe spot. Aisha on Channel 5 yesterday had this tight dress on. Looking fine, actually. The things were hard. Oh, I shouldn't say that. Not cool, but you look beautiful. I should turn on watching 7 right now. Where's Heather, Weather, and Feather? We need an update. Update. Watch out. Here it comes. Alright, the 1984 Pink Floyd kind of like guy speaking from the siren. You can't even hear. Alright. I can't hear you. Like a twister, I was born to walk alone. Here I go again on my own. Wayne's World, Aurora, Naperville. Get in your basements. Tornado warning. From Kankakee to Champaign, Illinois, tornado warnings. The rain is really coming down. We gotta say, miss you, Jerry Taft. Remember the weatherman? He was cool. Okay, temperatures have cooled in northern Illinois, and around here, we're in the all clear. A little more rain, and then steady as she goes. Now south, here's still a little,